Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Workspace domain settings for app integrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log into your Google Workspace admin console at admin.google.com. Use your administrator credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look for the security section on the dashboard. Click on API controls beneath the security menu. In the API controls menu, you'll see a section labeled Manage Domain-Wide Delegation. Click on this section to proceed. Here, you will find a list of apps that have permissions integrated with your domain. If you need to restore settings for a specific app, locate it in the list. Select the app you want to modify. Review the permissions currently granted to ensure they align with what you need. To restore any settings, click on the Edit option. Adjust the required permissions or configurations as needed. If you're restoring a previously deleted app integration, choose the Add a New App option. Follow the prompts to re-enter the necessary details for the app. Once you've made the changes, click Save to apply the new settings. Now, navigate back to the main security dashboard. Check any notifications or alerts regarding policy compliance or app permissions. For any changes to take effect, ensure you refresh any connected applications. It's also a good practice to periodically review app integrations. Reviewing regularly helps maintain security and functionality for your organization. If you run into issues, consult the Google Workspace Help Center for further guidance. This can provide deeper insight into specific problems you may encounter. Your Google Workspace domain should now have restored settings for app integrations. Verify each app's functionality to ensure everything is operating smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.